Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a Snapchat account. So first is to open your Snapchat account and tap your profile icon on the upper left. And then once you're in there, tap that gear icon on the upper right. And then once you open it, you scroll down to the last option. So look for account actions in there. And then the third option you have there, delete account. So tap on it. And they will give you this information before deleting your account. So if you're sure deleting your account, please enter your username and your password below and then click continue. So be reminded that your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat, and you'll also lose any chats you have saved or any snaps or chats that you haven't opened. So after 30 days, your account will be automatically deleted. So that's the whole process of deleting your Snapchat account. If you find this helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching.